post after this.
Alright.
Another burnout. Are you ready, people? You're gonna post this on YouTube, bro. You gotta post this on YouTube. Okay, let's do this.
Alright, last one. You ready?
Yep. Make it count, bro. Make it count. Yep.
Are you ready, dude?
Yes, I was born ready. Please do not try this at home either when it's raining. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh. I'm eventually gonna get sick.
Going, guys.
Okay, come on, let's go. I think you should put more gas in. Should I unpause it? I mean, should I pause it now?
No.
Not yet, okay. Ah, still one more burnout! Oh, that one was actually pretty shaky.
We're out of gas.
Okay, let's come on. Let's go. What? What happened? Okay. You're gonna have to stop to a gasoline place. I gotta admit, that was the most fun I ever had.
Pretty fun winning.
Huh?
It was pretty fun winning.
Yep. This is like the most fun I had in the Camaro.